Okay, so we're gonna capture this shop because it looks pretty cool. It says free to eat noodles. It has the kitchen's right there. It's pretty cool. Then you got these kind of cool little places in there you can eat at. And this sign is really amazing right here. Free to eat noodles right there. So, okay. And now we're just gonna venture off a little bit. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. And now we're just gonna venture off a little bit. And I just want to show you some of this area. Oh, kind of tall green building there. And over there's the inner harbor. That guy is mumbling like reminds me of Korea. So we're gonna check out this temple. I used to live in Korea a long time ago, back in the 1990s. So in Korea they drink a lot, drink a soju all the time. So it was quite common to see. Well, I won't even talk about that because I'm at a shrine right now. That's really cool. That's a beautiful shrine. Would you like that one? Yeah, I don't want to say anything. I just kind of marvel at the buildings. But actually the guy was kind of mumbling, so it kind of reminded me of when I was in Korea. They drink a lot of soju, so during the daytime a lot of times people will be have so much alcohol in them that they slur their speeches a lot. So like you get on the subway and it's like middle of the afternoon sometimes and you'll have somebody kind of slurring their speech. So it just kind of made me think about that, but I'm not going to judge that as anything, because it sounded like I might, you know. So I keep it all cool. But this is pretty amazing. I really like these buildings and just these tall, kind of massive apartments everywhere too, right? And look at all those. And then this one, we're just gonna follow this one down. Yeah, just kind of a massive amount of apartments. So yeah, this is what makes Macau one of the densest cities in the world. This kind of stuff. It's pretty cool. And then you got your little mix, here's little Catholic stuff, right? So just at the Buddhist temple, but it's also Catholic because it's you know, Portuguese. So we're gonna stick across here to the park. That's some cool stuff over here. Some cool stuff here too. And I see like a little bit of a, here's the street signs in case you want to see where we are. There's one, two. Okay, there's this school must be a Catholic school. And I just see this kind of monkey in the corner, so we're just gonna walk by it. I don't think I don't come up here very often, so this is, okay, this is called Monkey Tree English Learning Center. So this is a place that probably teaches English. Free trial assessment, okay. And then this side is, what's the name of the school? Santa Madalena. School of Santa Madalena. Never even heard of that one. And here they are doing offerings. So they put the money in there. So basically that one, okay, we just kind of got all kinds of cool stuff here. This is a fish restaurant, so you can order your fish and eat it right. Oh no, this is not. Oops, sorry. This is an office. Sometimes it'll be like a restaurant, but this one's actually an office. It smells pretty good. Chinese pharmacy. So this one has all kinds of traditional medicine. So you can get this kind of soup right here, like this, what this guy's getting, and then that'll stop you from a cold or from different stuff. So I should probably not get too close to it because I don't know, it's COVID days, you know, so they might have a cough and they're trying to, just don't know what it is. So anyways, we're gonna conclude that, but you kind of had an interesting thing, right? So we started, what's this one? This is a another Japanese one, yeah, I think, or fish restaurant anyways. All right, so we're just gonna conclude here just to make a big transition to all kinds of crazy stuff.